have the 2022 Tesla Model 3 long range. This vehicle features the upgraded alloys onto the 19-inch sport alloys, and it also features the premium white interior. As you can see, the vehicle is in immaculate condition. Sun's playing havoc. With the Tesla, everything works on the centre screen. Absolutely gorgeous in here. All your navigation, into all your controls, so locks, lights, 5 heated seats, you name it, these have it, they really do. Then all your audio, your phone, heated steering wheel, etc. is all in here. All your modes for your air conditioning. So everything works on the centre screen, which is nice and easy, nice and simple. Chargers, you name it, it is really all in here. This cursor wheel, when you're driving, operates your distance and speed for your adaptive cruise control, and over here is for your audio, etc. Whilst you're stationary, you can set your mirrors up on there, the whole lot. 2 wireless charging docks. In the cubby box we've also got 2 USBs, and then you've got storage under the armrest. Into the boot. So the rear seats fold down, you've got your Type 2 cable, your charger in the bag, first aid kit. As I say, the rear seats do fold down on the Tesla, which is very good. And then additional storage, you've got your front, which is near the front of the vehicle. Which again is very good storage. The vehicle's also got all your cameras, so just show you the cameras. So if I start the car, so that's the car running. If we indicate, we actually get a video camera there, which is very, very useful. When we were running one, we ran a Tesla for 2 years. I actually stopped looking in my wing mirrors, I just used this. I can actually vouch for the reliability of these. You know, we ran one for 2 years and it was absolutely phenomenal. So there we have it, the Tesla Model 3 long range with the upgraded alloys and the premium white interior. Thank you for watching.